Something strange is happening across the world in 2025. Well, that dream is now reality. Across the world, people are turning garages, basements, even tiny backyard sheds into small money-making hubs. No scams, no complicated setups, just real machines creating real products and real profit. So let's look at 12 powerful machines that people are using to build income from home in 2025. Let's start watching. Number 12. Vacuum casting machine. Turning silver and resin into fortune. What if your jewelry hobby became your full-time business? A vacuum casting machine melts materials like silver, gold, or resin, then uses vacuum pressure to pull the liquid into molds, eliminating air bubbles and creating flawless results. Compact versions cost between $300 and $600, and they fit right on a tabletop. With this, you can start crafting rings, pendants, or even small metal parts for other makers. Once you master the process, every mold you pour becomes a profit opportunity. It's a small tool with big potential, professional-grade artistry in your hands. Number 11. Dry ice making machine. Freezing your way to profit. It's cold, it's smoky, and it's incredibly profitable. A dry ice machine turns carbon dioxide gas into solid ice pellets or blocks in seconds. Just connect it to a CO2 tank, press a button, and watch solid dry ice form before your eyes. These machines cost around $400 to $600, and businesses like restaurants, shipping companies, and event organizers constantly need dry ice for storage and effects. Supplying it locally means steady, repeat business, and since few people offer it, competition is low. It's one of the coolest side hustles you can start, literally. Number 10. Commercial donut machine, the sweet smell of success. Close your eyes and imagine the smell of warm donuts drifting through the air. Now imagine that smell leading customers straight to your stand. A commercial donut machine automatically drops, fries, and flips donuts perfectly every time. Prices range from $500 to $800, and it's compact enough for small kitchens or food stalls. Sell donuts at local fairs, cafes, or weekend markets. The ingredients are cheap, and the profit margins are high. With one good morning crowd, you can make back your investment in days. It's a business that sells itself, powered by smell, taste, and pure happiness. Number 9. Remote service business. When your computer becomes the machine. You don't always need metal tools to make money. Sometimes your laptop is all it takes. Here's how. Build a simple website and run small ads to connect local businesses, like roofers or cleaners, with customers. You don't do the work yourself. You just collect leads and charge a fee per contact. Startup cost? Less than $200 for hosting and ads. Profit? Unlimited, because every city has hundreds of businesses looking for new clients. You're not selling labor, you're selling connections. It's a quiet, scalable digital hustle that works even while you sleep. Number 8. Desktop injection molding machine. From plastic to profit. Every product you see, from plastic clips to phone cases, started in a mold. Now, you can make them too. A desktop injection molding machine melts plastic pellets and injects them into molds to create durable parts in minutes. Compact versions start under $700, and with custom molds, you can produce replacement parts, tools, or your own product line. Once you have designs ready, each mold becomes a repeat income source. You can even sell parts to local workshops or online stores. Small-scale manufacturing has never been this easy or this profitable. Number 7. Bubble machine. The joy business. It sounds silly, but this one's genius. A professional bubble machine, priced from $200 to $700, can fill any space with colorful bubbles and bring serious income. Rent them out for weddings, birthdays, concerts, or school parties. One event can double your investment, and the demand never ends. Setup takes minutes. Just pour in the bubble mix and let the machine work its magic. Who knew joy could be turned into cash? Sometimes the simplest ideas create the biggest smiles and profits. Here's the secret. Bubbles never go out of style. They fascinate kids, impress guests, and make every photo moment magical. Add a lighting effect or scented mix, and your bubble show becomes unforgettable. Event planners love reliable vendors who can create that wow moment, and that's where you come in. It's not just bubbles, it's a business built on happiness, light, colorful, and surprisingly lucrative. Number 6. Manual edge banding machine, the woodworker's secret weapon. If you've ever noticed the polished edges on furniture, here's how it's done. A manual edge banding machine applies a thin veneer strip to the sides of plywood or wooden boards using heat and adhesive. It gives furniture a professional, high-end finish, and customers love that look. Portable models cost $500 to $900, and small builders or DIY woodworkers will pay you to handle their edges. You can charge per piece or create and sell upgraded furniture at premium rates. It's the kind of small workshop tool that pays for itself fast, smoothing wood and your wallet at once. Number 5. Pressure washing machine. Blast dirt, earn dollars. Few machines turn effort into income this quickly. A pressure washer uses powerful jets of water to clean walls, patios, and driveways in minutes. Entry-level units cost $300 to $600, and once you've practiced a bit, you can clean 3 to 4 homes daily, charging per job. The best part? Dirt never stops building up, which means you'll always have customers, whether it's spring cleaning or post-storm cleanups. It's simple, satisfying, and one of the fastest side hustles to start today. It's one of those businesses where hard work pays off immediately. Clean surfaces, clean profits. Number 4. Jewelry drum polishing machine. Add shine, add value. In jewelry, presentation is everything. A jewelry drum polishing machine gives your metal and gemstone creations that mirror-like finish buyers can't resist. Just add your pieces and polishing grit into the barrel. The machine tumbles them gently until they sparkle like new. Prices range from $70 to $150, making it perfect for small business owners or Etsy sellers. You can polish your own creations or offer finishing services to other artists. A little shine goes a long way, and so does your income. Number 3. Ribbon printing machine. Small, creative, profitable. Ever noticed personalized ribbons at gift shops or weddings? You can make those. A ribbon printing machine prints custom names, logos, or metallic designs on satin ribbons instantly. It costs only $120 to $150, and you can sell to decorators, event planners, or online buyers. Think birthday favors, trophies, or brand packaging. The possibilities are endless. It's a small creative setup that turns decoration into daily income, proving even tiny tools can have huge potential. Number 2. Roofing roll forming machine. Big investment, bigger returns. Now let's move to something more industrial. A roofing roll forming machine shapes flat metal sheets into roofing panels of custom lengths. Yes, it's larger in pressure, between $4,000 and $9,000, but the returns are massive. You can supply panels directly to construction companies, local builders, or homeowners who need replacements. Construction never stops, and neither does the demand for roofing materials. Once clients see your product quality, repeat orders roll in. It's a serious business machine for those ready to level up their income. Number 1. Ice cream machine. The happiest side hustle. Who can resist ice cream on a hot day? No one. A countertop ice cream machine can turn simple ingredients into creamy soft serve within minutes. Prices start at $700 and go up to $4,000, depending on size and capacity. Sell your creations at parks, pop-up stalls, or events. People love the freshness and the experience. Plus, ice cream has universal appeal. Kids, teens, adults, everyone loves it. It's a cheerful, low-risk business that turns smiles into steady summer profits. If you're enjoying these small business ideas, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Your support helps us find more simple machines and tools that can turn your home into a profit hub. These 12 machines prove one thing: you don't need a big space or big money to start big. So, which one would you try first? Tell us in the comments below. And remember, start small, earn big, and stay smart in 2025.